Welcome to another video on Jay's Workshop. Today I'm going to be doing an oil and oil filter change on a Peugeot 208 1.2. So first of all, what we need to do is basically open this oil cap so help the oil flow, and just pull the dipstick out. And you come underneath, you need a H8 Allen key bolt. As you can see, I've already cracked it with my breaker bar because it's a bit tight, but I'm going to fully open it just to release the oil. And the oil filter is located right here. Just letting the oil drip out now. Right now I'm going to be removing the oil filter. So I'm using this sort of claw filter tool, which is the best thing. To get a good grab, you need to like position it in this sort of position so you can get a full twist on it. And then yeah, simply just basically give it a few turns, loosen it up, and then it should come off of your hand. As you can see, I've got the oil filter out as well. I'm just letting it all fully drain out. I'm gonna give it a quick wipe down with brake cleaner, and then we'll be putting the new filters on. Okay, so I'm giving it a quick wipe down. I'll wipe it again once I put the sump back on, sump plug. Just tightening that up now. And then we're gonna put the new filter in. So we're gonna be putting a new filter on, oil filter for this car. It's like one of these. Obviously we've got to put a new set of a little bit of fresh oil on the top as well. This car, it's meant to take 0W30, but 5W30 is alright, you can use it. So I'm just gonna put my finger in here, get a little oil, just lubricate the lip of this filter. So in the future, it will come off easy, unlike the one I just took off. I was fighting a bit. Okay, so you can top it up with oil if you want, but I don't personally. Just literally put it back in the location and just hand tighten it off. Then let's go crazy. Literally hand tighten it and that's it. That's good to go. I've done everything underneath. I've cleaned up as well. When you're topping up the oil now, this particular engine takes 3.2 litres of engine oil, which I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I'll put 3.2 litres of oil in. Just going to put the cap back on. Going to put the dipstick back in. I'm going to start the car up, take it off the ramp. I'm going to let it run for a bit, and then I'm going to check the dipstick again to make sure the oil's in the right place. Right, so it's all done now. I've shown you how to change the oil and the oil filter. We've checked the dipstick, the level's bang on. So yeah, that's how you change the oil and the oil filter on a Peugeot 208 1.2.